Hi, I'm James from BlindsbyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to install your full height plantation shutters. First, carefully unpack your shutter boxes and lay all the contents on a smooth, flat surface, including the components box. Each frame will be clearly labelled for easy identification. In this example, R's are marked L for left, R for right, B for bottom and T for top. Remove the cover strips from each frame section using a flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage the edges. Next, measure and mark the drill hole positions. Mark 75mm in from each chamfered edge, plus one hole in the centre of each frame piece. For larger shutters, you may wish to add additional holes as needed. We recommend using a 4mm drill bit and drilling completely through the frame at each marked point. You may find it easier to build the frame directly in the window recess, especially for larger frames. However, if you have two people available, you can assemble the frame outside of the recess and then lift it carefully into place. Use the Hoffman keys to secure each corner of the frame together firmly. Once assembled, place the frame into the recess and check that it sits level using a spirit level. If adjustment is required, use window packers to raise or lower the frame until it's perfectly level. In our example, the frame needed lifting slightly on the left hand side, so packers were used in that area to correct the level. Ensure the frame and panels will be clear of any obstructions such as window handles or keys. Once satisfied with the position, mark through the frame holes onto the recess, remove the frame and drill and plug the holes. Reposition the frame, keeping any packers in place, recheck the level and secure the frame using the longer screws provided. It's best to secure the side frames first, at both the top and bottom, before securing the top and bottom frame sections. Once the frame is secured, attach the shutter panels. Align the hinges and insert the hinge pins, starting with the top hinge pin, then the bottom. Repeat this for all panels. If the panels require adjustment once fitted, you can adjust slightly via the screws, or if more adjustment is needed, you can use hinge packers to fine-tune the height or alignment. To do this, remove the panel by taking out the hinge pins. Lay the panel on its side and loosen the hinge screws. Insert a hinge packer behind the hinge, then retighten the screws. To raise the panel, place the packer behind the lower hinge. To lower the panel, place the packer behind the top hinge. For additional adjustments, you can also loosen the frame screw nearest the hinge and place a window packer behind the frame near the bottom hinge, or add another packer at the base to raise the door slightly higher. Once the panels are correctly aligned, insert the small middle hinge screw to secure them fully. Fit the cover strips in the following order for a neat and professional finish. 1. Bottom cover strip, press firmly into place. 2. Side cover strips, fit both sides securely. 3. Top cover strip, press down to complete the frame. Finally, cork around all edges of the shutter frame to create a smooth, seamless finish. In moisture-prone rooms, such as bathrooms, you may prefer to use silicone sealant instead. Before sealing, make sure all spacers and packers remain in place and gently push them back into the frame as needed. Your shutters also include adhesive screw covers for concealing visible screws, if desired. Please note these screws are used for slat tensioning, which may need to be accessed periodically for adjustment. And there you have it, your full height plantation shutters installed and working perfectly.